Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to sell on Vinted UK. First of all, open Vinted. Click on the plus sign to sell items from the bottom. Select a photo from here. Write title of this item. Describe your item. Click on Category. Select the plain shirts. Click on Brand. Add your brand name. Define its size. Give measurements in width and length. Set its condition to very good. Choose the color of your item. Select the material. Set the price of your item. Then click on Upload. Now the item is listed. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.